Welcome back to the Cruise World. Today we're on board MSC Magnifica, taking a look at inside Stateroom 10138. Whether you're already booked or looking for that perfect ship, the Cruise World has you covered with ship and room tours, vlogs, tips, parodies, and a whole lot more. So if you love cruising, make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell turned on. First, let's take a good overview of the room, and we can see the king-size bed, and over to the right there's a nightstand with a telephone and 3 drawers. Over here on the left side of the bed there's an identical dresser. At the foot of the bed is a flat screen TV, and inside the cabinet below is the mini bar. Over here is the desk and vanity area where you'll find an ice bucket, glasses, as well as 2 110-volt and 2 220-volt outlets. There are also 2 drawers here in the desk, and there's a hairdryer located on the right side. And below the desk, there's a small stool to sit on, as well as a trash can. Here to the right of the desk, just inside the entryway, we have 2 closets for storage. Your life vest will be located up on the top shelf of both closets, but here on the left you have 1 shelf for storage, a safe, and 6 drawers. Over here on the right side, you'll find plenty of space for hanging your clothes and storing your other belongings. Over here on the back of the door is where you can find safety information, including your muster location. And your main light switch is right here just inside the door, and you have to keep your room key or some other type of card here in the slot to keep the power on in the room. Now let's check out the bathroom, and here on the left is the small shower that has dispensers for shampoo and shower gel. And there's a pretty good sized sink area here that also has a soap dispenser. And we found there to be ample storage here with the shelves to the left of the sink and the cabinets underneath. If you hadn't noticed, there is no shortage of mirrors here in this cabin, and it's located right here on Deck 10 midship. Thanks for checking out the MSC Magnifica inside Stateroom 10138 with us today. Magnifica is a great ship, and if you have any questions or you're ready to book your next cruise vacation, give us a call at the number on the screen or email thecruiseworldtravel@gmail.com. Be sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on the latest cruise content. But most of all, remember, life is short and cruising is fun. We'll see you next time.